Did you make it around there?
The best part of the Isotopes game, folks.
Blue one and pink.
Oh, running the
Cut off.
Go, baby, go.
He's like, what am I doing? Why am I running? People are running. Why am I running?
Oh, this little one?
There she goes.
There she goes.
Little one.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she's going to get run over by an entire baseball team.
Free tickets or something. She's gonna make it. She's gonna make it.
She's almost at third. Here she comes. She's rounding to home.
Did she trip over third base?
She kind of didn't touch it, but that's okay. She's going to do it.